Imagine a world where you could chat with Visual Studio using natural language and through that conversation, get it to complete complex, multitask coding problems for you. Well, I'm happy to announce that in Visual Studio version 17.14, we're closer than ever to that reality. This new release brings along with it our new agent mode in preview with MCP support, as well as next edit suggestions and a bunch more. Let's get into it. You've probably heard all of the recent buzz about agent mode. With agent mode, Copilot goes beyond the current chat and edit experience to act as a true pair programmer. Before, you could ask Copilot questions in chat and even have it create and edit your code. But with agent mode, Copilot can recognize and fix errors automatically, suggest terminal commands and get your permission to execute them, and analyze runtime errors. All of this is done iteratively, meaning that Copilot will continue to examine and perform your task until it's completed correctly. In version 17.14, agent mode is starting as a preview feature and you can enable it in your settings. This release further extends the power of agent mode by supporting Model Context Protocol, or MCP, servers. MCP servers provide Copilot with additional context and allow it to connect to data, tools, and resources. The MCP website describes MCP as a universal adapter for AI applications. In the same way that a universal adapter lets you connect physical devices to accessories, MCP lets you connect AI applications to data, tools, and resources. You can do all of this without creating a custom connection for each data source. For example, you can connect directly to your database and analyze schemes, pull in information about GitHub repositories, including about issues and pull requests, automate end-to-end testing with Playwright, or you can even build your own MCP servers with several SDKs, including one for C#. Next Edit Suggestions brings big updates to the code completion experience that will allow Copilot to better understand your intention as you're writing code. NES leverages the previous edits you've made and predicts the next edit to come, whether it's an insertion, deletion, or mix of both. Unlike code completions, which are limited to generating suggestions at your cursor location, NES can support you anywhere in your file where the next edit is most likely to occur. Today, if you're referencing a method in your C# code that hasn't been implemented yet, you can use a common lightbulb refactoring called generate method to immediately create that method in a class. But the implement with Copilot refactoring automatically implements or adds the meat to your method with the help of GitHub Copilot. When an empty method only containing a not implemented exception throw is encountered, you can select the lightbulb on that throw line and select the Implement with Copilot refactoring, and Copilot will fill out all of the contents of your method based on your existing codebase, method name, etc. In this video, I'm only scratching the surface of all the new features available in Visual Studio version 17.14. Remember to check out the release notes to read all about all of the new features and try them out for yourself. As always, please leave us your feedback and happy coding.